Today, let's find out what's inside a camera lens. Quick disclaimer before we start, I have no idea what every individual part of the camera lens does. This is just going to be more of a fun disassembly video to find out what's inside a lens. Okay, screwdriver, check. Other screwdriver with the rubber falling off, check. This one's especially important. Pot plant with what appears to be more screwdrivers in, check. And of course, bust up Panasonic G7 kit lens. Check. This is the second lens I've taken apart in my life. The first one did not go so well, so let's start up and remove all of these screws. There we are. So here we have what looks to be some connections and a ribbon cable, and of course, more screws. Once I got the PCB out, it was just a case of disassembling everything that I could to the highest of my ability. Now, I'm no expert, but I did get it disassembled a fair way. Let's cut to that, then we'll see what's inside.
Got some things that I shouldn't have done, but tonight we think about it, yeah. Don't show me love. No, 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 no. Don't show me love. No, 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 no. Don't show me love.
Okay, I guess that's what's inside a camera lens. If you want to learn how to make an overhead camera rig like the one I was using in this video, up there where the crap is, there's like shoe boxes and old review products and just general rubbish. Do any of you guys collect boxes too? Because I know whenever I get a new piece of tech and the box just screams crispy, I always make a conscious effort to keep that box and not throw it away. Alright guys, that's all from me today. Thank you for watching. Remember to like the video. If you want to see more content like this, then smash the subscribe button. I'm trying to hit 10k by the 1st of April, so every single subscription is massively appreciated. I'm done, and I'll see you soon.